Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So guys, today in this video we are going to create a GUI application using tkinter. So this is the GUI application that we are going to create in this video. So this is a simple alarm clock. You can enter the time here and when you press start, it will start our alarm clock. Here you can see alarm is set and now it started playing the alarm sound. So this is the GUI application that we are going to create in this video. But before starting, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel for more programming related content. So let's start coding. So this is our code for the alarm clock. I already created a video about this where I explained every line in detail. So if you want to watch that video, then click on the I button, because in this video we are going to focus more on the GUI part. First we are going to import tkinter. So from tkinter import star. Now we will create our main window and then we'll add title and size in this window. We are going to use two text wizards to take input from the user. So let's name the first variable user_r, and in this we'll write text, and in its parameter first we'll enter our main window, then the width and height of our wizard. Similarly, we will create one more text field for minutes. So here you can see both text fields are ready. Now we also need to add the geometry manager and we are going to use the grid method. So I added the geometry manager in the text field, and always try to add the geometry manager in the next line, because if you use it here then sometimes you can see some errors. Let's also add main loop. So let's try this. Here you can see the text field, we can enter the text here. Now we have to create the text labels, and for that we'll create a new variable. Let's name this variable label1 and label, and inside its parameter we'll write window and our text enter r. Now let's add grid method. So label1.grid and then row and column. So let's create one more label for minutes. So I created the label for hour and minutes, and I also added one more text wizard named output. We will use this wizard to display text. So let's try this. Here you can see our label. Now we are going to add the start and exit button. So first let's create the start button. So button1 is equal to button, and in its parameter we'll write our window, then our text, and then command is equal run. We'll create this run function, but before that let's create an exit button. So button2 is equal to button, and inside its parameter window, then text, and command is equal window dot destroy. So dot destroy function will close our window. Now let's add the dot grid method. Now let's create a run function, and first we want to display alarm is set text in our output text wizard. So for that we will write output dot insert, and in its parameter we'll write insert and then our text. Now we'll copy our while loop from here and we'll paste it here, and we have to use the dot get method to get the text from our text wizards. So here we will add dot get, and in its parameter we have to enter the starting and ending position of this string that we want to get. So we want the full string, so we'll write 1.0 comma end. And before playing the alarm sound, we want to change this alarm is set text to wake up text. For that first we'll remove alarm is set text. So output dot delete 1.0 comma end, and to set text we'll write output insert, then our text wake up, then break. And if we try this is because our program is now running this while loop, so our main loop is stopped. So to fix this problem we will import threading. So from threading import star, and we will create a new function. Let's name this function threading fun, and inside it first we will enter thread is equal thread, and in its parameter we will pass our run function, and then we'll write thread.start, and in our start button we have to change the run function to threading fun function, and let's add this here. Now let's try this. And now you can see everything is working, and now it's playing our alarm sound. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more programming related content. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.